Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2001. Consider the following three functions. Means here they are given three functions. One is P1 quotient, P2 quotient function, P3 quotient function. Which of the above three functions are likely to cause problems with the pointers? Okay, means there is a function called g function which is returning a pointer. Here also function called g function which is returning a pointer. Here a function called g function which is returning pointer. Which of these three functions can possibly cause problems? Okay, guys, here if we take the first p1, try to observe it is a kind of not taking any parameter, and locally they declared one x variable with a value 100, and it is simply passing its address, right? So try to observe, right? This is x is a kind of a local variable. X is a local variable, right? So whose lifetime of the local variable is until the execution of this function only. The execution of this function only, right? Outside accessing this address, outside accessing this address can obviously lead to an error. Lead to an error that or not. Yes. So option P1 is going to be error, going to rise the problem for you, right? So option P1 is available in three options, so we can able to eliminate option A, right? And if you take option B, it is also as like the same one, right? So here px is also kind of a local pointer which is uh, which is basically initialized with a value as 10, right? So here, right, if we are going to declare any kind of a pointer variable, so you must and should have to be initialized. If you are not going to initialize in C language, it's going to have a garbage value, right? So if I am trying to perform star px equal to 10, star px equal to, your compiler will get question where I want to place this 10, right? Meaning that we are trying to access the garbage location. We are trying to access the garbage location with respect to this px. So obviously this will also raise a problem for you. So P1 and P2 will throw definitely an error. In option B, P2 is not there. So if you took into C and D, it will include both P1 and P2, and we need to finalize whether P3 will raise an exception or not, right? So if you take here, so here integer pointer is a kind of local pointer variable only, but this address, the address which is pointed by this px is created is created is created but whereas in the previous case we didn't create it, but we initializing value, that's why garbage value is there. Here also local pointer is created with a garbage value, but in the next line it is created a memory, and that address is placed in the px. Now in this created memory location we are trying to place the value 10, so there is no problem for us, and it is simply returning the px, right? So px memory is created at some location, that address we are simply returning, so there is no problem for us. So p3 won't raise any problem, only p1 p2 raise the problem. So option C matches, so option C is the correct answer for us. Okay, I hope understood clearly. Thank you.